Welcome back to 2230, your source for in-depth discussions on Asian news and politics. Today, we're diving into a rather heated legal and political debate right here in Singapore. But before we begin, if you enjoy fact-based, thought-provoking content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. In a recent turn of events, Singapore's Minister of Law and Home Affairs, Mr. Shanmugam, made headlines with his strong words directed towards Mr. Hsien Yang, the younger brother of Singapore's former Prime Minister, Hsien Loong. The issue at hand? Defamation claims and allegations of special treatment. It's a saga that's been unfolding, and we're here to break it down for you. So, what's the background? Mr. Hsien Yang, commonly known as LHY, has found himself embroiled in a legal battle with two prominent Singaporean ministers, Mr. Shanmugam himself and Dr. Vivian Balakrishnan. They claim that LHY made defamatory statements regarding their conduct in relation to the Singapore Land Authority, SLA, alleging unauthorized tree felling and state-funded renovations of certain properties. LHY, on the other hand, suggested independent arbitration, a proposal that raised eyebrows. Now, what's unusual here is the way the legal papers were served to LHY. Instead of a traditional process, they were delivered via Facebook Messenger, approved by the court. Their reasoning? The challenges of serving LHY in the UK, where he resides. But here's where it gets interesting. While Mr. Shanmugam is making a strong case against LHY's special treatment request, it turns out he himself had leased a property at 26 Ridout Road. The way he secured this lease and the subsequent renovations funded by the SLA raised some eyebrows, particularly regarding transparency and fairness. Questions have been raised about whether an ordinary citizen in Singapore could request a property list from the Ministry of Law and negotiate such deals. It's worth pondering if anyone else could secure a 23,160 for SQM parcel of land at the same price, and have the renovations undertaken by the SLA. These are valid concerns, especially when considering transparency in public dealings. Now, let's zoom out a bit. In the wider context of defamation in Singapore, we see that defamation cases involving political figures aren't new. The numbers aren't countless, as Mr. Shanmugam suggests, but they do raise important questions about the limits of free speech and the role of the legal system in protecting one's reputation. So, there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the Shanmugam versus Hsien Yang drama. What's your take on this situation? Do you believe there's a double standard at play here, or is it a matter of fair treatment? Share your thoughts, engage in the conversation, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video informative. That's all for today on 2230. Stay tuned for more engaging discussions on Asian news and politics. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.